Hey, a very good day to all of you. This is Gavin back with another video. Hope you all are having a very good time. Today, the topic or today the what do you call the IT tip that I'm going to talk about is a basic virtual RAM. So usually we know that RAMs are physical. If it's an 8 GB and we want to enhance it, we've got to go purchase one. What if I tell you that okay, you don't need to purchase another 8 GB, you can use your hard drive as a RAM? And yes, that's true. Most of your IT experts know this, but a normal user doesn't really, or maybe not everyone knows about it. So yeah, this is basically called a paging file or a virtual memory. So let's start. uh, you see this command over here that I've kept. You just, what you do is I'll just copy this, copy, control C, and I'll go to Windows button. I press Windows and R together, and yeah, I paste this here and I press OK. When I press OK, you see an advanced option over here. You click advanced, you go to performance, you go to settings, and from settings you go to advanced again. You go to advanced and you see here it's written virtual memory. So virtual memory is basically already hidden in your PC itself, in your laptop itself. And you see this passage is very much self-explanatory. If you see, it's written a paging file is an area of the hard drive of the hard disk that Windows uses as if it were a RAM. So I don't think I need to add much to this. So this is a place, or this is the hard drive itself will work as if it's a RAM. If you click change, I have actually made my own settings as per my requirement, but the basic settings that is required is mentioned here. If you see here, it's if you've got an 8 GB RAM, this is the calculation that you're going to keep. So you just copy paste this from my description area, and you go over here to the settings and you just paste this in the maximum area. You write 12288 in the maximum area, or what you can do is, you in the initial size you write in 12288, and in the maximum area you will write in 12289, one number ahead, just to mention the maximum and initial size, and you click set. And your basic setting will be, when you come to this advanced settings, when you come to change, your basic settings will be automatically. You've got to remove click from here and remove the check from here and come to custom size and just put your the size that you want in your initial and your maximum size and click set. Either you can do it on your C drive that you have itself or the D drive. This way what will happen is, you're adding a RAM to your laptop itself or to your PC itself. Usually what happens is, computer itself decides that how much space should it be taking from the hard drive. So it's not very smart though on this. So once you give it a size, your computer will start processing as the particular RAM you have. If you got 8 GB, you put it to 12 GB. So your 8 GB will then be 12 GB of RAM on your basic laptop. So I hope this information is good, and once you're done, you just click set. You click set and you click OK, and you come out. It'll ask you to restart your PC once you're out. So you restart your machine and voila, you've got your RAM enhanced. So I hope this video is of use to you, and if you want me to make more videos, or you want me to address some issues that you're stuck with, please do let me know in my comment section or my email address that's already down in my description. Love you all, take care. We'll be back with another video soon. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.